Authentication failures between Outlook and email servers like Exchange, IMAP, or POP are the root cause of repeated password prompts. These failures can stem from outdated cached credentials, incorrect server settings, or conflicts with security protocols. First, outdated cached credentials cause issues when Outlook's stored login data becomes corrupted or expires, leading to repeated authentication attempts. Second, incorrect server settings, such as wrong addresses or ports, prevent Outlook from connecting properly to your email server. Third, conflicts with security protocols like two-factor authentication, OAuth tokens, or network firewalls can block the authentication process. For advanced troubleshooting of Outlook password issues, Microsoft provides the Support and Recovery Assistant, commonly known as SARA. This powerful tool can automatically diagnose and resolve common Outlook problems, including persistent password prompts. To get started, download the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant from Microsoft's official support website. The tool is free and available for both Windows and Mac systems. Once installed, run the Support and Recovery Assistant. You'll see a list of common Outlook issues. Select the option that matches your problem, such as difficulties with sending, receiving, or finding email messages, which often relates to password authentication issues. The Support and Recovery Assistant is particularly effective for complex Exchange server environments. Whether you're using on-premises Exchange servers or hybrid cloud setups, SARA can automatically detect configuration issues, authentication problems, and connectivity errors that cause password prompts. By running automated diagnostics, SARA can resolve authentication failures, clear corrupted caches, and restore proper connections without requiring extensive technical knowledge. This makes it an essential tool for both individual users and IT professionals managing Outlook in enterprise settings. Mac users sometimes encounter conflicts with iCloud Keychain that cause Outlook to repeatedly ask for passwords. The iCloud keychain can interfere with Outlook's authentication, leading to these repeated prompts. To fix this, first disable AutoSync in iCloud keychain. Go to System Preferences, then iCloud, and turn off passwords and keychain synchronization. Next, manually reconfigure your IMAP settings in Outlook. Enter the server details, imap@mail.outlook.com on port 993 with SSL for incoming mail, and smtp-mail.outlook.com on port 587 with SSL for outgoing mail. This reconfiguration prevents the keychain from interfering with Outlook's authentication process, providing a permanent solution. The future of Outlook security lies in passwordless logins, moving away from traditional passwords towards more advanced technologies. FIDO2 security keys provide a physical method to authenticate using cryptography that can't be easily compromised. These keys work with Outlook to verify your identity without requiring a password each time. Biometric authentication, such as Windows Hello, uses your fingerprint, face, or iris recognition to log in seamlessly. This integrated approach with Azure Active Directory and modern email systems ensures secure access while eliminating the need for repeated password prompts. As these technologies become mainstream, Outlook users can expect a much smoother authentication experience. Zero Trust models operate on the principle that no user or device should be inherently trusted, even within a network perimeter. Instead, authentication is verified continuously throughout each session. Tools like Microsoft Entra ID integrate Zero Trust principles, centralizing authentication and reducing the need for repeated password entries. Single sign-on, or SSO, complements this by allowing users to authenticate once and gain access to multiple connected services without additional logins. Together, Zero Trust models and SSO integrations minimize password prompts while significantly improving both security and user experience.